how can I be a part of this harmonic convergence? Because we really have created a really powerful energetic force, and I really just want to kind of hone it in and just make sure that we're really sort of dialed in, if you know what I mean. So the thing is that you never want to send energy if you are in an angry state or an anxious state, any type of negative frequency. You never act out of that. So you want to go ahead and clear that, work through your emotional processes, and come back to the energy work when you're feeling your best and when you're of sound mind. Because what we're really doing is creating a heart-based focus. You have to be able to tap into your heart anyway. So that clarity and that peace is essential. We can start to intentionally move that energy. We can will it to work in the ways that we want it to work. You're moving your heart-based energy towards those manifestations or those things that you would like to present to God as, your higher self, things that you want to experience, and you bring them forth through your heart space. It is empowering to know that, yes, you can actually put an encoding in, and you can program the hologram into something else. So that's all we're doing. We're not hurting anything. This has been pretty successful in the past, working with all of you. And so I thought, hey, let's just go ahead and start training a team to actually be ready to create a convergence that will help others, that will help shift us into higher timelines. We can make change together. We're not victims of circumstance. Our state of being is what guides us and what is going to help us actually create the reality that we want. So that's what we're doing. We're creating that state of being from our heart, sending that love forward, and connecting with others in that light.